car I'm working on is located in New Zealand, so I'm using the Australian specification as a reference. In this case, both 5W40 and 10W40 are compatible with the car. Here are the list of tools you'll need to do the oil change. Bonnet release is located on the passenger side. Carefully raise the vehicle using a jack lift. Place the jack stand underneath and then lower the vehicle. Repeat the process on the other side of the car. Open the oil filler cap. There are two underbody panels you need to remove to access the oil filter and the oil drain plug. Drain plug is located on the back side of the oil sump. Remove the drain plug by turning it counterclockwise. Position the oil drain pan correctly so then you don't spill any on the ground. Wait until the oil stops dripping. Unscrew the oil filter and remove it. If the oil filter is too tight, you can use a swivel oil filter wrench to remove the filter. Prepare a torque wrench. Clean the drain hole using a rag. Screw in the drain plug using your hand. This is the part number of the oil plug. And tighten the drain plug using a wrench. Using a torque wrench, torque the drain plug to 30 Nm. Apply a thin coat of engine oil around the rubber gasket on the oil filter. Clean the contact surface of the oil filter using a rag. Simply screw in the new oil filter until the rubber gasket meets the surface. Then hand tighten the oil filter. Using a funnel, carefully pour the engine oil into the oil filler hole. ES9A variation uses 4.5 liters of engine oil with the oil filter change. Check the oil level using the dipstick. Fill it up to the upper groove of the dipstick. Start the engine. Let the engine run for 5 minutes. Check underneath the car to make sure there are no leaks. If you don't notice any oil leaks, then the job is done. And that's how you change engine oil on a Peugeot 407 Coupe V6. Thank you for watching.